We're in Port Perry, and it is halfway through February, and we just had a little bit of snow, maybe 10 inches, but mostly just drifting more than anything. But anyway, we're out here in the driveway, and let's see what we can do. Woohoo! Some places it's about a foot thick. It's kind of cool. Fairly light snow. I've got the V plow right now, which means it's in a V formation, which is really the only way I can get through right now. If I tried having the blade tilted all one way, it would be really hard to get through this. But the V works really well under these circumstances. Just to give you a sense of what... Oh, look, there's the snow groomer. It's my buddy Kelly. Just to give you a sense of what this is looking like. There goes the snow groomer. Life in Port Perry.